How to hide subscriptions on iPhone. So if you want to hide subscriptions on your iPhone, then first it's important to understand that Apple does not allow you to delete subscription history completely. This data is kept for billing and support reasons. However, there are a few things that you can do to make your subscriptions be less visible. If a subscription is cancelled or expired, it will move to the expired section and may disappear over time. Though Apple doesn't provide an exact timeline for when that happens. So if you're looking to hide an old subscription, waiting it out is one option. Another method is to hide the app associated with the subscription. For instance, if you're subscribed to Spotify, you can remove the Spotify application from your list of purchased or downloaded apps. Just hold on to the app, select Hide option, go with Require Face ID, and then tap on Hide and Require Face ID. This removes it from the visible app history. Though it won't remove the subscription record itself, if you've cancelled a subscription, it will remain in your history until it eventually fades from the view. For those who want additional help, you can reach out to Apple support. They won't delete your subscription history, but they may offer guidance. So that's basically on how you can hide your subscription on your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.